to make money on Studypool. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to make money on Studypool. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So if you search in here, if you know how to make money on Studypool, you will be able to see that people will ask homework questions and you will be able to sell documents in there with the potential to make up to $5,000 per month. So in here, they will provide you actually 4 strategies that you can do. So for this, head over to the studypool.com and then you can see here that they have the official link to apply as a homework question answerer. So you can earn up to 7,500 USD monthly. So if you click on apply now right here, you just need to log in on your account and become a tutor in this way. So once you have logged in, you will need to submit some documents that will prove that you're an honor student that can help people in this way. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make money on Studypool. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks!